Well, welcome to my shop, and it's about time to put this radio back into the cabinet. Oh, that's right, the cabinet. I'll go get it. There we go. Now let's get all these wires in a good, safe place. Okay. Okay, just before I tighten down the bolts, I did find another bolt for over here. I checked, and the controls at the side here are out of center with the holes. They're low, and that's because the rubber has gone under there. So I've got this kind of material. It's like it's under a carpet or something like that. Very rubbery. It's very handy stuff. I've cut 4 pads. Okay. Oh, I hope the screw here isn't too small for this. Uh-oh. This might be a bit of a problem. Oh boy. Well, this one's not bad actually on this side. Maybe I don't need to do it on this side. Wait a minute. Got a much longer bolt on this side. I remember this only came with 1 bolt. And that's, I think, the reason why the yeah, I'm gonna have to clamp that down to bring it down. There we go. I just put one of these in. I think that's going to help just nicely. See if I can get the screw on. I got it there. I don't have it. That's not it. Buoy. Kind of screws down there. I didn't even notice. It's a Phillips. Okay, that's good. That's very good. Now, this guy didn't work last time. Yeah, I think it was falling off. Oh, that's right on the string. That's a little odd. Okay. It feels free to turn, but the tightener part here is interfering with the string. Well, that doesn't go anywhere. That's strange. So I mean the radio's too far forward? And when I fit it in here, it'll stop? No, even worse. So maybe this isn't tight. Let's see, that's down. Look at that. That's strange. Boy, you'd have to have a whole radio in the wrong position. Or this whole piece bent terribly forward here. Not a good idea to bend it. Doesn't look, it looks like it's in perfect position because it's just coming right on this where it should. Wow. Yeah, it just doesn't go anywhere. Well, we can't do anything about it. No, we don't want to attach the string yet. Not until we figure out what the heck we're going to do about that. Fully closed, 0 right at the top. Is there a corresponding 0 mark somewhere? There could be on the front dial. And I can also use my signal generator and determine anywhere what the frequency that this is tuned to is, and just move the dial to that frequency. So this really isn't that big a deal. Or I can tune in a local station. Lots of ways to do this. In fact, in some ways that's even better, provided the oscillator frequency is not way off. I think that would be evident. The travel of the dial would be, it would try to travel too far in one direction. Now here's this weird wire again, and a fuse. Is that a fuse in there? There's nothing in there. There is something inside there, like a joint. Well, if anybody knows, let me know. I'm pretty interested. All right, let's plug in the speaker. There we go. Now another thing that looks really kind of weird is this piece here. I'm not sure it's holding the light where the light needs to be. My own thinking is the light should be... Well, let's see what it looks like anyway. I don't think the light's in the right spot. Magic eye. Let's put that in. Okay. Just have to deal with the dial thing. We're pretty well done. Oh, we got a knob issue too, but you know what? I think I'm going to get... the front knobs are correct, but all the side knobs are fakes, so I'm going to get another set of knobs. So we want to watch this thing. It's not lined up well at all. But I want to see if it works. Well, there it is. It's all put back together. I didn't put the knobs on the front because these knobs have become very, very fragile. And these are the original knobs. I don't want to put them on in case they break. So, and one of them is already broken and has some kind of glue all over it. So I just didn't want to finish them off. And those knobs really aren't the proper knobs either, but I'll cut them back on. and this one too. And since now the radio is installed properly and not, it's got two screws holding it in place and it's the right height. All these controls turn freely now. So here the last thing we have to do is get the pointer on in the right spot. So let's let's do that. Okay, apply power. Wow, voltage pretty high. 123. Switch on. You can see the voltage drop. Pretty sure it's going to drop again. There's the plate current starting. Whoosh. Okay, that's full voltage now. Oh, there's the radio. Yeah, my camera doesn't pick it up, but in the dark it's lit very nicely. That's too bad. Beautiful to see with your eyes. But not so pleasant to listen to, though. There, we'll turn that down. Yeah, it's a little better. And let's see where we are band-wise. Okay. That's phono. AM local. Lots of dial turning.